Hi guys and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video. Today I will be doing a full face on my niece. She is 14, so I want to do something nice and clean for her but still a little bit glowy. Right here I'm using the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Primer to give her an even canvas. And then I just went in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation with a Real Techniques complexion sponge. I'm going to use this sponge for the majority of this video because I just liked the look that it gives and I can really press the foundation into the skin. Here I am using the NYX HD concealer, and then I'm going to go in with the ColourPop concealer, the no filter concealer, just to brighten up her inner corners and along the bridge of her nose, her cupid's bow, and her chin. And I'm gonna make the bottom parts of her lips look a little bit whiter and to give her a little bit more of a pout. I'm just gonna top a little bit of the HD concealer on that just to give it a little bit more depth and darkness. Now I'm going to use the other side of the Real Techniques sponge just to blend it out. You'll see that I am flipping the sponge because there are certain angles that works better for certain portions of the face. And yeah, that's what I like to do. Excuse my ashy knuckles, guys. I wash my hands a lot and I use a lot of sanitizer, so my hands get so dry. Yeah, so I'm just going to blend that in. And I promise you guys, I am not trying to break her neck. It's just because the video is sped up. That's why it looks like that. So here I am using the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Go with the Glow liquid highlighter. And once again, blending that out with the sponge. I am just blending this out on the very tops of her cheekbones and bringing it into her brow. And then I am going to blend it down the bridge of her nose and her cupid's bow. I'm not going to go crazy with the highlighter. So I said that I wanted this to be a really nice natural look and I want her to have really youthful luminous skin. So I popped a little bit of that on her inner corners as well. Here I am using NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and this is the black pencil because our hairs are very, very dark, and I am feathering it in. I'm not going to give her the Atlanta brow or the Instagram brow. I'm just kind of enhancing what she already has. So here I am setting her face where there isn't any highlighter, and I'm using two shades in the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I am using 30 and 40 because I can never find 35. Right here I am applying some of that underneath her eyes, but I am skipping where I put the highlighter because I still want it to be luminous, and then there are certain parts of her face I want to be a little bit more matte, and this sponge is damp. I'm not going to leave this on here for a long time. I'm just putting it on there to set and I'm immediately dusting it away. This is the MAC 109 brush. This is my ride or die brush. I use this brush for everything. Here I am going in with Anastasia's Mahogany Bronzer. I love that bronzer, and because she has chocolate skin, it just looks really, really nice on her. This is the Black Radiance Artisan Color Big Bronzer, but it's kind of a reddish bronzer with golden highlights. So this is going to double as a blush highlight bronzer type situation. So I'm just putting this over top where I put that liquid highlighter. And I'm using more of a feather in motion. I'm not trying to go ham with it. I don't want her face to be looking like a disco ball or anything like that. I just want to have a nice natural glow. So I'm going to go in with that mahogany bronzer and I'm going to shape her nose just a little bit, not too much. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Glow Bomb. And this is my favorite one and it looks so, so pretty on her. I love this gloss just because it's not sticky or anything and it has a really nice color to it. Before I put mascara on, I always use a lash curler, and I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. I love this mascara. This is my favorite drugstore mascara. So I'm just pressing lightly on her lid. That way I can control how much she blinks. And then when I go into the bottom, I like to pick up more product and just take a little bit off the tip and give the client a direction to look, just so I can really get those bottom lashes without getting mascara on the cheeks. And because I went over her brows when I was dusting in that highlighter, I'm just going to go back in with the pencil just to fill in where it took off. And this is the final look. She looks so pretty and natural. She looks her age. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any recommendations, leave them down below. Here are 2 videos that you can watch, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!